Percy gets to be woken up again this morning. That's fun. Told you she'd be up. Oh, the pleasant cutting of pipes in the morning. Doesn't she look thrilled? It is the evening time. This is what they ended up doing. So they had the hole, and they filled in the hole, and now they have these hoses that are just spewing out water. So there's that. This is what has been going on other blocks as well. So I'm not sure what this is actually for or doing, but it seems like a little bit of a waste of water.